Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, guys. And so this is of course the right place where you can find all information, everything which you need to know about cryptocurrencies and our crypto world. So in today's video we are going to talk about Shiba Inu. Yes guys, of course, Shiba Inu, it has been basically the representative of meme tokens. And so please make sure to stay until the end of the video to find all relevant information about it. So let's see here. Let's start with the price. It is 0.004602, which is basically 6.8% decrease, a little bit lower decrease compared to Bitcoin and yes, Ethereum. And we are going to talk about this graph, to talk about potential predictions. But before that, let's focus on the news. First of all, of course, Twitter channel of Shib, which has more than 2 million followers. So of course, press following, and you can see all newest information regarding it and what has been trending. Also, now let's see here, we have some positive news. Here we have the positive news about Shiba Inu will hit a major milestone later this month. What kind of a milestone is that? That is the milestone about hodlers, about investors. So Shiba Inu will likely hit its next major milestone, which is 1 million investors, guys. So right now there have been 963,000 unique wallet addresses holding SHIB tokens as of November 15th. So let's check now. So if you go on the coin market cap, if you go to holders, if you look here, you have 976,600 holders. So basically it will increase really fast. When you see it was basically 13,000 less 3 days ago, so basically it will go to a million really soon, maybe this or next week. So that is the next milestone which the community has been waiting for. And let's see what we have here. So supersize max SHIB, Shiba Inu, the largest ERC20 holding among ETH whales. What does that mean? As you can see here, so according to data compiled by Whale Stats, looking at the Ethereum-based token holdings on the largest ETH wallets, SHIB represents basically 17.44% of the entire market share there. Let me make it bigger for you here. Here is it. 17.44%, or it represents $2.3 billion in SHIB. So top 1000 Ethereum-based wallets. That is huge, guys. It has drastically overpassed OKB, CRO, USDT, and so on and so on. Of course, there are some good news, there are some bad news as well. There have been opinions. So like here, Shiba Inu coin faces reversion worthy of parabolic rise. Means as much as it has risen, some people believe it will drop down. Let's see what are some reasons for that. And who said it? The Bloomberg analyst wrote that Shiba Inu token may be fun for speculators, having achieved a market capitalization of nearly $40 billion. And also, Meg Lone said that the combined market capitalization of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin appeared to repeatedly top out the $80 billion. It happened earlier this year during the run-up of April and May, as you all know. This guy, Matty Greenspan, thinks that SHIB has gotten about as far as it can go on hype alone. Some people can agree, some people can disagree. I personally don't. So basically there have been certain experts who think positively about cryptocurrencies, the others think negatively of them. It basically depends on your certain point of view. So let's go to the one you have been waiting for. Let's go to the graph. So when you look at the overview of prices, 4602 right now. So the graph doesn't look so well. There have been certain dips and certain rebounds. Basically, usually rebounds have been on the same level as dips or at a slightly lower level. That is why it is declining slightly. And if you look at the weekly chart, there has been the line of support here and here, which is basically on the same level at around 46, something like that, 45.5, 46. And if you look at the monthly chart, so basically We had one dip on, as you can see, on the 5th of November, but a huge rebound followed it. So now it has been declining, but of course, if you ask me, I would always buy it at a dip. So this is quite cheap in my point of view right now, but of course, do your own market research, sorry. I'm so excited regarding this right now. Focus on your own research as well. Find all relevant information you can. And please tell me in the comments what you think about Shiba Inu and how will it proceed. Have a nice day, guys.